Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Authenticator Chrome extension. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. This menu gives you access to Chrome's settings and features that help you customize your browsing experience. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a submenu showing you extension-related options. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and install thousands of different extensions to enhance your browser's functionality. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on this search bar and type in Authenticator. This will help you find the Google Authenticator extension among all the available options in the store. After typing, you should see the Authenticator extension appear in the search results below. Click on the Authenticator extension from the search results to open its dedicated page. On this page, you'll see detailed information about the extension, including user reviews and features. Look for the blue button that says Add to Chrome and click on it. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation, so go ahead and click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will now download and install automatically, which should only take a few seconds. After the installation is complete, navigate back to the top right corner of your browser and click on the extension icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. This icon gives you access to all your installed extensions. Find the Authenticator extension in the list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning it ensures the extension stays visible in your toolbar for easy access whenever you need it. Now click on the Authenticator icon that's now visible in your toolbar. This will open the extension's interface where you can manage your authentication codes. You'll see a pencil icon within the interface, so go ahead and click on it. This allows you to add new accounts to your authenticator. Next, click on the plus icon to begin adding a new account. A menu will appear with several options: scan QR code, manual entry, import QR images, or import OTTB URLs. These different methods give you flexibility in how you want to add your accounts. For this example, let's click on manual entry. After selecting manual entry, you'll see fields where you need to input information. Enter the issuer name, which is typically the name of the service or website you're setting up, and then enter the secret key provided by that service. Once you've filled in both fields, click OK to save it. And there you have it. The Authenticator will now display a unique code for that account, and this code will refresh automatically every few seconds. You can use these codes for two-factor authentication whenever you log into your accounts, adding an extra layer of security to protect your online presence. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.